guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make some Jamaican style rice and peas. Here I'll be using some long grain basmati rice, but feel free to use any rice of your choice. I will be using some small red peas, but if you want to use kidney beans, go right ahead. I also have some coconut milk here. If you have the fresh coconut milk, that would be best. I have some salt, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, green seasoning. I'll be using some pimento berries as well as butter, garlic, thyme, green onions, and some habanero peppers. So let's start by boiling the peas first. I did soak the peas prior for about 5 hours. I will add some thyme, my pimento berries, and some of my garlic. We'll cover this and allow it to boil until it's nice and tender. So after about 45 minutes, I will now check the peas. Now the cooking time will vary depending on, if you soak your peas or not. My peas are tender, so I will add some coconut milk as well as my seasonings. I'll add the green seasoning and the powdered seasoning so we can flavor the pot up. Then I'll cover this and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Then I can go wash my rice and I'll be back. So at this point you want to add your washed rice. Then we'll add our scallion, some more garlic, some more thyme, or habanero peppers. Now if you have scotch bonnet, go ahead and use that. I don't get that here, so I'm using the next best thing, which is habanero peppers. We will add some butter. It will give it a nice creaminess. And then we will cover this and allow it to simmer on low heat. You want it to cook on low heat because you don't want the liquid to dry out fast and your rice is still hard. Now, if you cannot see your rice, you have too much liquid in there. As a pro, I know how much liquid I need without actually measuring it. But if you're not a pro, you might want to just strain your peas and measure out liquid to coconut milk and make sure you have the right amount. I will leave all the correct measurements down in my description box for the beginners. If you're now learning, you can get it right, don't you worry. So after about 15 to 20 minutes, all your liquid should dry out and your rice should be looking like this. But it's not quite done yet. We are going to remove it from the heat, cover, and allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, the rice should be perfect and you can go in with a fork and just fluff that rice. And as you can see right here, it's nice and fluffy and the perfect rice and peas. Now I did serve this up with some stewed oxtail, fried cabbage, and fried ripe plantain. And it was absolutely amazing. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, sure to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching and bye.